Hey guys, Brandon from Illusions Mobile Auto Spa with yet another video, and today's topic is going to be concave and convex panels. What's the difference? Let's talk about it. Alright guys, so we see it all too often. We see detailers on their YouTube channels showing you how to do paint correction, how to do polishing techniques, but they always show you mostly how to do flat panels. And while although flat panels are pretty much straightforward, they're pretty easy, no one really goes into detail about how to polish around these concave panels. Okay, now when I first started detailing, I had no clue. I was self-taught, and when it came time to use a polisher, I was like, man, how do you polish around this? Okay, now before I get to that, let's go ahead and verify exactly what is the difference between your concave and your convex. So we have here, concave is a term used for a shape that is curved inwards. So this would be considered a concave panel. You have your convex, which is the term used for a shape that is curved outwards. So if you look at this panel, consider like a football as an example. You have this, it's curved outwards. So this is convex, and this is your concave. Now back to what I was saying. When I first started detailing, again, I didn't have a clue. I had the old polishers and stuff like that, the Porter cable, and it was a nightmare to polish around curved panels like this. So my initial thought was to take my 5-inch polishing pad, and basically you can hit it from here, you hit it from here. And while some people do get away with that, it wasn't efficient. I wasn't getting the cut that I wanted. I wasn't getting the finish that I wanted. But congratulations guys, because I'm going to show you exactly an easy and efficient way to polish this panel. So let's get to it. Alright guys, and we are back and we are ready to roll. I have my Adams 15mm swirl killer with a 5-inch 3D spider cutting pad. I've already primed the pad here, as you can see, and I've got my 2 drops, and we are ready to roll. Now, just a little thing here guys, my backing plate, I have it marked to make sure that I get that rotation, and that's going to tell me whether my pad is moving or not, and this is very important. Okay, so let's go ahead. I just want to apply the product evenly here on speed setting 1. So let's go ahead, switch my setting here to 1, as you can see. Let's put that in. Okay, now let's go ahead, put my polisher speed setting 3. Everybody has a different preference. Mine is a sweet spot, speed setting 3, 3.5, and that's going to basically give you the best finish. Okay, now let's go ahead, make some magic. Let's make some love here. Now many of you are going to approach this a different way. Everybody's going to have their opinion, but again, I find this out of experience to be the most effective way. So let's go ahead, let's start. And as you can see here, I'm barely getting any rotation, barely. But here's the trick. Let's go ahead guys and tilt this polisher, add a little pressure, and look how beautiful that is. Add that pressure guys. If you need to kick up the speed a little bit, go ahead. But look how nicely that's polishing right there. Let's go back. Use that pressure guys. Remember, pressure actually helps to keep your pad rotating. Look at that. Very simple, so easy. All it took was a simple tilt of the polisher, and we are golden. One more time. Just a slight tilt. So easy. Let's go ahead, wipe up. And by the way guys, look at that. Look at the even finish, how the polisher leaves this. This is what you want, okay? You wipe that up. Now we didn't go over our body line, okay? The pad basically went over, okay? When we tilted it, went over, okay? We didn't stay on this body line, so we are good here. Flip that over, wipe. Now guys, this is a maintenance client. I do regular polishes here and there and stuff like that, but this was just an example of how to effectively polish a concave panel, and I hope this helped you, because again, there are barely any videos out there, and I hope that, guys, my experience that I bring to you and the videos that I put out, I hope that they really help you to become a great detailer in your experiences. Again, guys, Brandon from Illusions Mobile Auto Spa. Peace, love. How do you do the heart? Peace and love. Take care, guys.